Good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope so. You will find fit and fine. Today I am going to describe about the binary system. As you already know that the computer can only understand the number system, that is binary number system, and that is 0 and 1. So computer can only understand 0 and 1. So in this chapter we are going to learn about how binary system works and what are the different types of number systems available in the computer system. So 1 means that is the on, and 10 means that is the off. That means ki 1 understand for on and 0 understand for off. So there are two states in the binary number system, that is on and off, which indicated by the decimal system, that is 1 and 0. As we know that the fundamental unit of a computer system is bit, so 0 and 1 are called as a bit and a binary digit. So after accumulation of 8 bits we get a single byte, that is called 1 byte. It is a collection of 8 bits. So in this chapter we will going to learn about the various kinds of number systems available. Okay, now comes to the number system. There are two types of number system, that is the non-positional number system and the positional number system. In non-positional number system there is no any define the positions of the numbers, but in the positional number system we can define the position of the numbers. So generally we use the positional number system in the computer system, and that would be the decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So we just use as a decimal number system which have a base 10. तो हम लोग कहते हैं कि डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम हम लोग जनरली यूज़ करते हैं कोई भी नंबर, एज फॉर एग्जांपल अब 25, दिस इज़ अ डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम हैविंग अ बेस ऑफ 10. So if you expand in this example 1 2 3, then you will find that there is a base of 10 having powers. So in each every number we have a base 10 which is not shown, which is not necessary to represent. Okay, but in the binary number system we use the base 10 because there are two numbers which are responsible for the binary, that is 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 that denotes for the off and on. Okay, and machine can understand only zeros and 1. So in the case of 0 and 1s we define the binary system as for example of the 1001, and if we converted this binary number to the decimal number system, there is certain rules involving. So in this chapter we are going to learn how to convert the binary number system to the decimal number system and vice versa, and the decimal number system to the hexadecimal number system and vice versa. So we are going to learn, we are going to calculate how to convert these things. So in this part here we can see that 1001 is equal to, it can be expanded as 1 into 2 to the power 3, 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2. In that way we can calculate by the binary. So because 2 is here the base having the certain power, because 2 is the base, because the in binary number system we are using only two numbers, that is 0 and 1, that's why we use the base 2. तो हम लोग 2 क्यों यूज़ करते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे पास क्या है, हमारा जो बाइनरी सिस्टम है उसमें 2 ही नंबर यूज़ होता है, दैट्स वाई यूज़ द 2 नंबर एज अ बेस इन द binary number system. Whereas in the decimal number system we use the 10 numbers starting from 0 to 9, that's why its base is 10. So it is very much clear that why it's so base as 10 and why it is so base as 2, because of the number, the main numbers that involves to create the decimal number system and the binary number system. Okay, now next to the here we can see in this table that in this column there is a decimal and the other side there is a binary. So in the decimal number system we are using 0 1 2 the decimal, this is the decimal having the binary, if we convert it then this one is, that means ki we should keep the 4 bits to convert the decimal to the binary. It is mandatory to keep the 4 bits, मतलब ये आपको 4 bits का use करना पड़ेगा for converting the decimal to binary as in the table given below. So if we convert 0, that means all the bits become 0 0 0, and that means the off condition. If we consider with the one decimal number, then we starting from the right hand side and we have to on the bit. So from the right hand side, the bit place value is 1 2 4 8 16 and so many. So it is the multiple of the numbers. तो आप स्टार्ट करेंगे स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड, जो बिट होगा 1, फिर 2, फिर 4, फिर 8 एंड समथिंग लाइक दिस. Similarly, in the case of 2, if we have to calculate the decimal number, if we have to calculate the binary of the 2 decimal number of the digit 2, then we have to keep the bit, which bit on to represent the 2 decimal number. So as we say that starting from the right hand side, there is the place value of the bit, the right bit is the 1, and then next one is the 2, and then next is the 4. So this is the right position here from starting 0 1 0 0. Okay, now comes to the point that we have here we can see that this is the main part. जैसे आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं 0 1 0, तो that means कि we can say that starting from, let's suppose this is the 2 having the conversion, तो that means 0 1 0 0. ओके, तो 0 मीन्स क्या, यहाँ पे इसका जो प्लेस वैल्यू that is the 1, इसका हो जाएगा 2, इसका हो जाएगा 4 एंड इसका हो जाएगा 8. तो हमें कितना चाहिए, हमें 2 चाहिए, तो कौन से बिट को ऑन करेंगे, तो एक के बाद जो दूसरा बिट है अगर उसको हम ऑन करेंगे तो हम लोग यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि हमारा यह, तो यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि 2 का है 0 0 1 0. अब लेट सपोज अगर हमें 3 करना हो, लेट सपोज इफ़ यू फाइंड द 3, तो विच बिट शुड बी बिकम्स ऑन, कौन सा बिट ऑन होना चाहिए कि दोनों का एग्रीगेट है वो 3 होना चाहिए. तो अगर 1 + 2 करेंगे, 1 + अगर हम लोग 2 करेंगे तो हमारा टोटल आ जाएगा 3. डैट मीन्स कि हम लोग को बिट जो ऑन करना है 1 का बिट ऑन करना है और 2 का बिट है, एंड द रेस्ट 2 बिट्स बिकम्स 0, देन इट्स वैल्यू इज 3. Similarly, in the fourth situation, if we calculate the binary number of the 4, so which bit it becomes on? So if we on the bit third from the right hand side, its value is 4. Here I on the bit, and this is off and this is off. So the fourth is fourth number, we get the fourth decimal number, then we have to put on the third position of the binary. If we get the 5, then what should we have to get on? तो यहाँ पे हमें करना होगा, चूँकि 5 कैसे आएगा, तो 1 + 2 करके नहीं आ सकता, 1 + 2 4 करेंगे तो 7 आ जाएगा. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, तो देन वी हैव टू ऐड 1 and 4, and 1 is the first right number and the 4th is the third right number. So we have to on both these number to calculate the 5th. So we put 0 and then 1 and then 0 and then 1. Here we see that 1, that means its value 1, 0 that means it will be negligible, and the 4th is, that is the value is 4. So यहाँ पर this one, यहाँ पे 4 + 1 is equal to 5. Okay, similarly last one is the 6. If we get this value of 6, then we have to add 2 numbers, that is 4 + 2. तो so बीच वाले दोनों हमें numbers को on करना पड़ेगा, 4 and 2, and the right and left जो है हमें off करना पड़ता. Then we get the number 6. In this way we can show here that we can very easily calculate the numbers of the decimal numbers to the binary number systems. Okay, similarly there is another process to calculate the binary or to the decimal to the binary is very easy. If we calculate the number that is the let's suppose if we calculate the number that is the 15, then we should have to divide 15 by 2. लेट्स सपोज, तो 2 हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं, तो हाउ मच टाइम इट गेट्स, तो 7 टाइम. तो 7 यहाँ पे जितना आएगा, और बाकी जो रिमाइंडर होगा वी विल पुट हियर इन द राइट हैंड साइड. तो रिमाइंडर हमारा बचा 1, क्योंकि 2 7 जा 14 एंड रिमाइंडर इज़ 1. नाउ अगेन अब यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि अगेन 2 से डिवाइड, वाई इट इज़ डिवाइडेड बाई 2 बिकॉज 2 इज़ द बाइनरी, 2 इज़ द बेसिक नंबर्स ऑफ द बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम, दैट इज़ 0 and 1, सो इट इज़ डिवाइडेड बाई द 2. अगेन 2 से डिवाइड 7 करेंगे तो 3 टाइम्स आया, and there is a 6, तो 6 में 7 तो 1, 7 minus 6 that is the 1. again हम लोग 2 से करते हैं, 2 1s are 2 and remainder is 1. So यहाँ पे हमें कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? Here we see that on the right hand side we get the number that is the from starting from the downwards to the upwards. So calculate here starting from, तो 15 का हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ हम नीचे से स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो नीचे में हमारा 1 है, फिर 1 है, फिर 1 है, 1 है. तो अगर सारे बिट ऑन हो जाते हैं, that means कि it shows the 15 decimal number. So in this way we can convert the decimal number system into the binary number system very easily. Let's take another example. If we have to calculate the 20, that is the 20 is the decimal number, and we have to convert it into the binary numbers, and then we should have to divide from 2 10 0. 10 टाइम्स करेंगे तो हमारा रिमाइंडर पूरी तरह से ये हो जाएगा, तो कट हो जाएगा, तो 0 हमारा रिमाइंडर होगा. 2 5 टाइम्स रिमाइंडर 0, अगेन फिर 2 2 जा 4 रिमाइंडर 1, अगेन हम करेंगे 2 1 रिमाइंडर 0. So we have here that from starting from the 0 from the 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, so we can write here 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, now if we calculate this in the form of the decimal, then we will find that the number is the 20. So in this way we can very easily convert the binary decimal number system into the binary number system. In this way we can easily convert the binary to the decimal. In the next section we will discuss about how to convert the decimal to the binary to the decimal, and what is the hexadecimal number and what is octal number later in the. Thank you very much.